Hello all, in this session we are going to see how to draw a text box over here, or you can say a title box, and how to make a PDF from the given AutoCAD drawing. Okay, so these are the two questions. This is question 1 and this is question 2, which are on different AutoCAD sheets. So first we will give the question number to this question. In order to give the question number, we are going to make use of multi-line text. Now the default height of the multi-line text is 3, so we are going to increase it to 5. So I'll go to this drop down menu of annotation, click here, select manage text style, height will be 5, click apply and close. Now click on multi-line text, draw a rectangle over here, write down Q1, that is question 1. Now change this layer to outline, and then we will draw a circle. So select circle and draw a circle of 10 radius, so 10, enter. So this is question 1. Suppose this is question 2. So again, since this file is different, again go to this drop down menu and change this height to 5, apply, close, select multi-line text. This is question 2, Q2, escape. Now we will draw a circle over here. So again, if you want, you can change the layer. This will be outline layer. Go to circle. The radius of the circle will be 10, enter. Again change the layer. Now here you can see, once the drawing is complete, you can name the drawing, name the views like front view, right hand side view, top view, like that. Now once this is done, we will draw a title box over here. The title box has been shown in the lab manual. These are the dimensions given here. You can take the screenshot or note it down. So now we will draw this title box in AutoCAD. So I will go to dimension layer. I am considering that the text layer is dimension layer. Click on line. Make sure this ortho mode is on. From this point, I will move towards left by a distance of 150 millimeter. So keep the cursor towards left, type 150, press enter, then move up by a distance of 60, so 60, enter, and again 150, enter, press escape. Now type offset, so O, enter, distance of the offset will be 10, so 10, enter, select this line and click on multiple. This is first offset, second offset, third offset, press escape, again O, enter. Now the offset distance is 15, so 15, enter, select this line and click on top side, press escape. So this much portion we have created. Now we have to create these vertical lines which are at a distance of 50 millimeter. So L, enter. From this point to this point there is a line. Okay, so O, enter, distance is 50, so 50, enter, select this line and click towards right one time, again select this line, right, click towards right one time, press escape, or you can use multiple also. Now once this is done, we will write down the details inside this. So we have already changed the text height, so I will select this multi-line text and draw a box over here like this. Write down the name of the college, press escape. Now select this, turn off ortho mode, select this grip, move it outside, and again select this grip and move it and adjust it properly at the center of that rectangle, press escape. Now next is title. Okay, so we can see next part is title. So we are going to write all these details now. So again go to multi-line text. From here we will draw a box. The write down the title, title. Name of the sheet is orthographic projection, so write it down. Press escape. Again select this, move it outside, again move it inside properly by selecting this grip. Press escape. Now next part is drawn by. So again go to multi-line text, track this point vertically down and draw a rectangle here. So DRG by. So I am writing here my initials only. You will write down your initials. Press escape. Then I'll adjust it slightly. Okay. Now next part is checked by. So checked by will be RMM. So I will select again text, track this point and draw a box here. Checked by. Press escape. Then next is date. So again multi-line text, track this point, draw a box and write down date. Suppose date is this one. Press escape. Again, since it is not at the middle, you can move this out and again then place it in the middle. Track this point. After this, next detail is discipline or branch, you can say. So I will select again multi-line text, track this point horizontally and write down discipline. Suppose branch is IT, so I will write down INFT and escape. Now below this we will write down semester. So select multi-line text, track this point and track this point and draw a box. Semester 2, escape. Again select multi-line text, track this point, track this point and draw a box. Type sheet number. Suppose this sheet number is 7, so whatever sheet number is given to you, you can write it down. Press escape. Then here we have to write down roll number. So again multi-line text, track this point, draw a box, type roll number. Suppose roll number is 1, so 1, escape. Now here we have to draw the symbol of first angle projection method, which is given over here. So what are the dimensions of this? We will understand that. So here you can observe there are two concentric circles. Suppose outer circle diameter is D, so inner circle diameter will be D by 2. Then the distance between the center line to this point is 1.25 times D, and then this distance is D. So basically I am going to assume that the outer circle diameter is 12 millimeter, that is radius is 6 millimeter, and we will draw this symbol. So I will go back to AutoCAD. First trim this line in between, TR, double enter, trim this part, escape. I will turn on projection layer and then I will draw the first circle outside. So click a point over here, the outer radius is 6, so 6, enter, and the inner one is 3, so circle. From here the radius will be 3, enter. Then I will select projection layer, click on line. So from this vertical center line I will move horizontally, turn on ortho mode. The horizontal distance is 1.25 times of diameter. Now the diameter is 12, so 1.25 into 12 is 15, so 15, enter, move down and then take projection of this also till this point. Then this projection, this point projection we will take till here, and this distance will be the outer diameter, which is 12, so 12, enter, and then again take projection of this point till here, and then again this will be 12, enter. Now complete this geometry, select dimension layer and complete this. Once this is drawn, we will select center line layer, type in the command line center mark, and then select the outer circle. Press escape, then move this, so select this, M, enter. Base point will be the center of the circle, and turn off ortho mode, track this center and move it over here. Once we have moved this, we can turn off the projection layer. Now above this we will write down all dimensions are in mm. So again multi-line text, all dimensions are in mm. Now this should have been in text layer, so I will select this, I will select text or dimension layer, and I will move it over here like this. Now same type of title box I require in second sheet also. Okay, so what I will do, I will select this, press Ctrl C on the keyboard, go to the second sheet and press Ctrl V and place it somewhere over here. Now next I will select this, press M, enter, select this point and place it over here. Now once this is done, here you can observe that this dimension is intersecting with the title box, so you can delete this dimension and give this dimension on this side somewhere. Okay, once that dimension is done, we can now proceed to making the PDF. So I'll go to first sheet again, on the keyboard press Ctrl P, in the printer or plotter name select Microsoft Print to PDF. Since we are making a PDF, select the page size to A3. It depends, if you want A3 you can select A3 or you can select A4. So I will select A3, and then what to plot, I will select window. Okay, outside this rectangle I will select a point like this nearby, and I will draw a window over here. So you can observe, if I click on this window, how that window has been created. This is the window which I have selected. Again press escape. Okay, now click here, fit to paper, center the plot, drawing will be landscape, plot object line weight should be on, this should be on, and then in plot style, if I don't select anything, I'll keep it as it is, click apply to plot, apply to layout, click on preview. Now if you see the preview, there is one problem here. Since we have drawn hidden line with yellow color, it is yellow and this is red. So if we take out the take the printout black and white, this yellow line will not be visible. So what we are going to do, click on this close preview window, and instead of none we will select monochrome. This is the most important part, and click on yes. Now again click apply to layout, click on preview. Now you can see all the colors are gone. Okay, then click on plot, select the location. Suppose I am selecting downloads location, and name the file. Suppose the name is G1 batch dash roll number is 1, and the sheet name is orthographic projections. So the PDF is made. We can go to the location, downloads, open the PDF, check if everything is perfect. I will rotate this drawing now and save it, Ctrl S. Now simply we will check if everything is correct. Once it is correct, we will go back to the AutoCAD. Similar way, we will save the PDF of second question and then go to Google, type PDF merge online, and then using any of the websites we will merge the first question and the second question, and then that PDF which has both the questions, you can upload it wherever it is asked to be uploaded. So with this we have completed the printing part and how to draw this text box part.